I have installed iOS 27 public beta on my main iPhone 15 Plus, and as you may know, any iPhone below iPhone 15 Pro will not be getting the new Siri. This is not surprising considering my iPhone didn't even get the Apple Intelligence features. But who wants that anyway? In this video, I'll show you 3 things that I love about the iOS 27 update, majorly focusing on improvements from my not so great experience on iOS 26. So let's get started. So first, overall performance. The performance is just better. It is noticeable from the moment you update your phone. Now I didn't face many performance issues anyway, as till like 26.5. Many of those issues were already fixed, but it never felt as snappy as iOS 18 did until now. I tried using clear icons and this time they don't suck. The icons don't constantly reload every time I swipe and don't make the home screen stutter like they used to do sometimes on iOS 26. I also noticed that the 2-3 second delay when you, for example, try to customize your lock screen or open the control center are just gone. It feels even better than iOS 18 to be honest. It's hard to notice any lag or animation issues anywhere now, which is like the bare minimum, but here we are. Second would be the liquid glass. Adding to the fact that everything is smoother, it is also much prettier. Just look at this comparison. I switched to the tinted look on iOS 26 because I hated how liquid glass looked in many apps, and I am not talking about the third-party apps. Instagram does not even have real liquid glass, but now I am on the highest transparency level. By the way, if you did not know, we now have a liquid glass slider in the new appearance section of settings, so this is really great. Third would be captured by me section. This one may seem like a minor change, but for me it is pretty huge. Like Apple used to have a camera roll section in Photos app back in the day, and for some reason they decided to remove it. Until now we have a new option under utilities called captured by me, which is basically camera roll. Here you will find only the photos that you captured with your phone's camera. This thing was basically impossible to do before for some reason, but now I am very glad Apple has put this back. Honorable mentions, Apple Music app feels much better now. Also the connectivity assist feature is really useful, and that's pretty much it. Even without the AI features, iOS 27 seems to be a great new update, even though it fixes what should have like never been broken in the first place. But yeah, here we are. If you're on iOS 26 or an older iPhone like me, you should definitely update to the iOS 27 public beta. Make sure to back up your phone on iCloud or on your computer before you proceed with the update, because that is really important with public betas or even developer betas. If you have any questions, video ideas or advice for me, please put it in the comment section, and thank you for watching.